Well, today we are in the town of Hempstead. We're pledging to increase funding and support to Yes and New Horizon, two great organizations that provide drug addiction counseling and related services for neighbors in need. Pending our town board approval, and I think we'll have it, at an upcoming meeting, Yes and New Horizon will each receive additional $50,000 grants for each organization for their drug counseling services. The monies have been secured through the federal Community Development Block Grant funding. Heroin deaths have increased in Nassau County each year between 2011 and 2014. In fact, there were 32 in 2011, 38 in 2012, 44 in 2013, and 51 in 2014. And that represents a 38% rise in deaths. In fact, I'm told by sources in Nassau County that we have seen in Nassau County an over 90% increase in heroin deaths in the first 6 months of 2015 alone, over last year, the same period. Non-fatal overdoses during that same period are also on the rise. Those are absolutely alarming numbers.
You know, just a few words to heighten, I guess, some of the awareness that we have around this problem. You know, when we look at prescription drug use and heroin use, we look at it in that this is a battle that we have been fighting fiercely for many years. And when we see the young people who walk through our doors and we see the effects that it has on their children and their families, we know that we have to do more. So opportunities like this to receive additional funding, which allow us to provide more services to more people, is something that really is just extraordinary and has to happen in every single community.
These monies will be very beneficial to all the clients that we serve at New Horizon, and we serve the Nassau community, not only in Valley Stream, but we are out there trying to make sure that every person in our Nassau community is aware of our services. New Horizon has been around for 30 years, trying to make sure that we outreach and try to reach as many people as possible, helping them not only with chemical dependency issues, but also with behavioral health issues.
Well, taking on the troubling heroin epidemic is an important task. And it starts by supporting those who mentor and serve our youth. However, as heroin-related deaths continue to rise, it's also essential to provide counseling and rehabilitation services to those amongst us who are struggling with drug addiction. We know that our support will play a role in assisting neighbors in reversing this very disturbing trend in Nassau County.